Received government approval for IPL in UAE, confirms Brijesh Patil, says Vivo substitute to be finalized by August 18. Good morning everyone, you are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lava Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. I am here to present you latest news of 11th August. This is from New Delhi. The BCCI has received the central government formal approval to conduct this year's Indian Premier League in the UAE. IPL chairman Brijesh Patil revealed on Monday. The IPL boss also said that BCCI in all likelihood will announce the tournament's new title sponsor by August 18. There will be a 7-day window for interested companies to submit the bid. The IPL will be held in the UAE from September 19 to November 10 in 3 cities, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The government had last week given an in-principle go-ahead to the BCCI to shift the marquee league in the UAE due to rising cases of COVID-19 in the country. Yes, we have received all the written approvals, Patil told PTI when asked whether the permissions has come in the writing from both the Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of External Affairs. When an Indian sports body shifts a domestic tournament abroad, it requires clearance from Home, External and Sports Ministry respectively. Once we had the verbal okay from the government, we had initiated the Emirates Cricket Board. Now we have the papers also, so franchisees can be intimated that everything is in order. A veteran BCCI official told PTI on conditions of anonymity. Most of the franchises will be flying out after August 20 after 2 mandatory RT-PCR COVID-19 tests conducted within 24 hours from their departure bases. The Chennai Super Kings players and staff who are leaving on August 22 will have the small camp at the Chepauk on the insistence of skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The BCCI is also facing problems on the sponsorship front after calling off the title deal with Chinese mobile company Vivo for the current year due to the Chinese boycott. That is from today. I Vinay Kumar. Come back with latest news tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead.